Reba's Reading Treasures. It's Reba to the rescue. Come on along and read this sensational story with me. The title, Let's Have a Perfect Picnic. Hello, friends! Cousin Kyrie and I have completed our work and chores. We have decided to have a picnic. We are calling all of our neighbors. We are even calling Mr. Wilson. Mr. Jacobs is driving to the store. He will buy and bring food to our picnic. Kyrie and I are in the kitchen. Before we make the sandwiches for the picnic, we will wash our hands. Now that we have washed our hands, we will make the sandwiches. We are also packing fresh fruit and snacks for the picnic. The picnic baskets are ready and we are headed to the picnic. We have arrived at the picnic area. Our friends and neighbors are here. The sun is shining and today is a perfect day for a picnic. I am passing out my cool and delicious watermelon slices. Kyrie is passing out her slices of delicious cake. Mr. Wilson is upset. He cannot find a sandwich at the picnic. He is angrily ordering takeout food. There's no need to call for takeout, Mr. Wilson. Kyrie has saved you a sandwich. Mr. Jacobs is enjoying a delicious sandwich too. The rain is here, and it's time to pack up. We had a wonderful day. Thank you for joining us.